All right, outdoorsmen, want to share a product review, essentially an unboxing. It is completely sealed up, and I haven't ever seen this. I saw it online. It is their quarter zip windproof jacket, and I really wanted to give that a try. It was on sale for over 50% off, so I went ahead and placed the order. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and we'll go from there. All right, everyone. Everything's sealed up pretty well there. Here's the jacket. I did go with the 2X. Certainly don't need one that big, but that way I can layer underneath it. Primarily going to use it for hunting turkeys in the spring. It can be certainly chilly then, so I need something under it, and then I can downsize as time goes. So here it is. All right, it even comes with a handy dandy hanger. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, get my sweatshirt off as I'm supporting Ducks Unlimited, and try it on, let you know what I think. All right, everyone. I know that I have clashing camo at this point, but this is more about sharing the overall initial experience of the jacket. All right, everyone, just a quick review of what it has here. Certainly the quarter zip goes the whole way up, fits very nicely up to your neck. It has a pocket on the left side that is magnetic, and then on the right side has a zipper pocket, and then on both sides has pockets. Gives you plenty of space to get stuff stored. I'll probably wear this under my waders, so no real need for a lot of extra stuff. I will say that the sleeves are a little big, and as I said, I intentionally got it big so that if I need to layer under it, I'll be fine. All in all, I really like the way the jacket feels, and I am certainly looking forward to getting out this weekend and wearing this and seeing if I can get on some turkeys and go from there. So I hope you liked today's review. I will follow up as I'm hunting wearing this to share how my experience is going. Until next time, get outdoors.